Hello scrappers! The video you are about to watch was filmed a long time ago in a garage far, far away when scrap prices were much higher and I was drunk like 90% of the time, and I don't even remember filming half of these, so I'm seeing them for the first time too. So sit back and enjoy one of my older videos. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Which one do I want? Decisions. Let's do some scrapping. Today I'm scrapping some kind of zip drive thing. I'm not exactly sure what it's called, but it runs off of like a cassette type of storage device. Right off the bat I noticed it's got a nice piece of circuit board and some ribbon cable still stuck to it. I got gold connectors here. I'm just going to throw this in my number 2 bucket. They'll give me number 2 copper for that. I'm going to start by taking the screws out, I guess. Probably going to need my small Phillips. That comes off. That's out. Oh yeah, nice gold bearing. That's all brass right there. This is number 1 circuit board. Yeah, this is number 1. I'm not going to sell this on eBay. If it had more gold on it, I would. A nice piece of circuit board. Nice little piece of brass on that. See if I can get that off. Ow! Yep. That was easy. Number 2 copper. Nice little piece of brass. Some plastic. Ooh, a couple copper bearing motors. What's holding this one in? Yeah, nothing anymore. So that looks like stainless. So doesn't this. So doesn't this. Some more plastic. And how do I get this little guy out? That's funny, they're Torxes, but I just took them out with a screwdriver. See if I can pry this open. No, I'm just going to call it electric copper bearing motor, just the way it is. Got 2 nice copper bearing motors. A little piece of brass. See if I can get this little piece of brass off. Nope, they can have it. There's the other little piece of brass. Plastic. I'll throw it in my dirty brass bucket. And that stuff is stainless. Not that bad for a couple minutes worth of work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.